Let's talk about the highlights from the Global Environment Outlook Report 2025. Now, this talks about investing in the earth and focuses on some of the major environmental issues, which is first of all the rising climate change or the growing temperature rise from zero point 0.6 degrees in 1990s to nearly 2 degrees Celsius by 2040, which is predicted. Now, if this rate goes on, it would have a deep impact on global warming and greenhouse gases. The next is the biodiversity crisis. Nearly 1 million of the biodiversity of the 8 million is facing the risk of extinction. 20 to 40% land is degraded, and there are nearly 3 billion people whose lives have been threatened because of it. The economic impact is again important. If we look onto the figures, by 2050, the GDP impact is somewhere at around 4% of the global GDP, which is expected to rise to nearly 20% by 2100, which is a very, very significant high figure. Now, therefore, if the environmental issues are checked at the very first go, this could be a very better opportunity where people are actually investing in health, and by proper investments, nearly 9 million premature deaths can be avoided annually by 2050. Because of poverty and hunger, nearly 200 million people have been facing undernourishment, and 100 million people have been can be out of poverty. So there could be numerous lives that could be saved, and this is just on the social front. But if we look onto the cost benefit analysis, we would see that this would have a significant impact onto a healthy and a quality lifestyle. There are 5 important pillars of transformation which focuses on economy, where we mainly focuses on green GDP and bringing in subsidies for renewable sources. For energy, there is decarbonization, better efficiency and sustainable mineral supply. For food, sustainable diets and reduced waste. For minerals, circular design and traceability. And for environment, nature-based solutions and mangrove and wetland conservation are some of those. If we talk about India's strategic focus, we are focusing mainly on circular economy, nature-based solutions, where we say the indigenous knowledge, specifically from the tribal groups, is one of the ways to bring in the protection for water, for forest reserves, and then bringing out subsidy reforms, phasing out from fossil fuels to renewable sources of energy, and developing an inclusive waste index which is measuring beyond the GDP, which accounts for depletion of forest, soil and water resources. Now, with these strategic focus, we can have an inclusive wealth index that can be generated, and therefore this Global Environment Outlook Report 2025 holds a very, very important aspect, where a systematic transformation generating nearly 100 trillion annually has been the need. And this is again a very, very important topic for your upcoming examination. We'll be focusing on more important topics like these. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.